When I heard that this award was open for nominations, I immediately thought of Ronnie Imel. Not only does he do things locally, he does it nationally for every veteran in the United States. And that's very honorable.
My father was a World War II veteran. He fought in the South Pacific, and I decided I needed to do the same type of thing as my father, and I joined the Army and became a U.S. Army Ranger, and I have many of the same problems as other combat veterans, and I found out there was very little help or no help, so I decided to start helping others with getting help. And I happen to be good at finding that help. I might not know everything, but I do know where to look. And I understand the need to get health care, to get the claims process, burial services, DIC claims or pensions for veterans, and that's what I do, is I help them navigate the system, the paperwork, where to go, how to go, when to go. There are a lot of things to focus on, and being an advocate is a full-time job.
I've seen Ronnie get accolades, but I'll tell you what, I've never seen a more modest man in my whole life. He just wants to do the job and get it done.
He changed a lot of hearts here from people that are bitter, didn't have any income coming in, didn't have any benefits.
He'll go out there, he's fighting for the veterans. He's like a dog on a bone. He won't let go until they get what they deserve. As long as there's a veteran out there that comes to him that needs help, he's going to help them.
I tried in 1997 to get my benefits and they turned me down. And I call him my Messiah because he saved my life.
My greatest reward is helping other people. You know, you've changed their life for a lifetime. It's extremely rewarding. It's like taking a medication that really works.
He is a fighter.
He won't give up.
He's just totally involved and just totally dedicated to his service to veterans.
Thank you for the award. I appreciate it very much.
College Corps is so interesting because this is the first ever program like this. Our goals as a cohort is to be able to provide debt-free pathways to pay for college through civic engagement. And so all of our students, all of our fellows, they're focused on food insecurity, climate action, and K-12 education. Today, our entire cohort is participating in the Great American Cleanup in Riverside. These are in-person events, a chance for our cohort to come together, but also serve in the communities that we're all coming from.
For me, community service means giving back, paying it forward, helping those that may need a little assistance, letting someone know that someone cares about them. And I think that's important because here you go on a Saturday, a group of college students out giving back to the community. That is a plus.
Feet on the ground, boots on the ground, our students have the opportunity to build community within each other.
Students such as myself that are in the community, helping each other out inside the community and really trying to make this a better school and living place for all of us is honestly what I value the most and why I always love looking for opportunities such as this.
It really widened my view of what are the possibilities. You could do it yourself. You could go out to your own outside of your area of your house and clean up there. It really gives you a perspective of just helping in general, not just helping as a volunteer. It shows how much effort you can put into something and really love it.
Being recognized for this award is so very meaningful. I think being able to be a part of this program shows students that they are valued and that their opinion matters and they have the opportunity to make a difference in what happens in their communities.
That the efforts that they're doing is not going unnoticed and unfounded. knowing that they're helping someone that does not have food on their table, knowing that they can address issues as it relates to them in the community. So thank you for this award.
It really inspires a student like me who has struggled with so much, who's trying to crawl out of the depths of poverty and terrible generational trauma and cycles in order to keep going. Being a valuable part of a team like this is really just inspiring for me.